Besco Machine Tool Limited is professional on manufacturing pneumatic punching machine, mechanical power press machine, hydraulic press machine, press brake machine, hydraulic shearing machine, punching mold, and different kinds of metal products automatic punching line. Besco has large-scale processing equipment, including 2 sets TK6920 CNC floor boring and milling machines, 3 sets floor boring and milling machines, 10 sets radial drilling machines, 9 sets 6-meter horizontal lathes, 1 set 10-meter horizontal lathe, 1 set 10 by 5 meters CNC plasma cutting machine, 100 sets welding machines. Our factory is equipped with a heat treatment workshop, and all of the machine tools out of the factory have undergone 4 days tempering treatment to ensure the long-term stability of the machine tools. There are more than 60 high-quality assembly workers in our factory who are produced and processed in strict accordance with the press production process. The technical department has 3D drawing and simulation demonstration. The production workshop completes machining according to the dismantling drawings. The assembly workshop assembles machine tools in strict accordance with the national standard. The quality inspectors carry out strict inspections. The machine tool has high precision, stable operation, low noise, and low failure rate. Besco has gone abroad and got high praise of customers all over the world. Besco will be one of the representatives of national brands.